Hey, Gearhead! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be exploring the various types of car jacks available in today's auto market. I'll also be exploring their uses and the type most mechanics use. Stick to the end, as you'll find out the exact type of jack suitable for your car. Just as you know, jacks are mechanical devices for lifting heavy loads, in this case, your car. Various types of jacks fall into two categories, mechanical and hydraulic. The mechanical jacks are used by physical means. This is to say, it uses a hand-operated lever or motor to lift or lower your car, and it will automatically lock in place once the force or power is removed. For the hydraulic jacks, pistons and incompressible liquid are used to create pressure. This pressure is then used to lift heavy objects, like your car. In essence, a car jack is vital whenever you're required to raise your car for repairs or maintenance underneath your car. So, what are the types of car jacks available in today's auto market, and which should you choose? Before that, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, kindly subscribe. We post an insightful auto guide weekly. Quick recap. The different types of car jacks used in the garage are floor jacks, bottle jacks, farm jacks, scissor jacks, air jacks, pneumatic jacks, high lift jacks, strand jacks, hydraulic jacks, trolley jacks, and motorcycle jacks.
To know the kind of jack perfect for your car, you will need a jack with a lifting capacity of around 3/4 of your vehicle's total weight. For instance, a full-size family saloon will need a jack with a 2 tons capacity to lift it. So, let's go deeper to understand the different types of jacks. Number 1. Floor jacks. Floor jacks are one of the simplest devices designed to help lift the vehicle you're working on. The hydraulics allow you to lift a portion of the vehicle with a hand lever. These devices are very strong and don't require a lot of mechanical experience to use. When choosing floor jacks for your vehicle, you'll need to take the weight of the car into account. In general, floor jacks should be rated for a minimum of 3/4 the weight of your vehicle. The floor jack is designed to only lift a portion of your car, not the entire weight of the vehicle. Overloaded jacks can be unsafe. They're also more difficult to operate. Number 2. Bottle jacks. A bottle jack is a compact, upright standing lifting jack that is mainly used to raise and lower vehicles off the ground vertically. Bottle jacks are powered by a hydraulic lever that, when pumped, forces pressure from a small diameter piston through to a larger piston chamber. They're also weight restricted and can only be used to lift or lower a vehicle. You are expected to combine a bottle jack with weight supports. Number 3. Farm jacks. Farm jacks are designed for farm equipment, but you don't have to be a farmer or work on a tractor to make use of one. In fact, many people use them for off-roading vehicles and high-clearance trucks. It is also known as high-lift jacks. They can be used to change tires, but they are designed to get a vehicle unstuck from heavy mud or rugged terrain.
Farm jacks can also be used as a winch or clamp, making them an exceptional all-purpose tool in certain situations. In your garage, farm jacks can be helpful when you need to jack up a vehicle with a very high clearance, and a standard floor jack or bottle jack won't suffice. If you are liking the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. You should join our community. We post insightful videos weekly. Number 4. Scissor jacks. Scissor jacks are designed with a hand crank used to lift a vehicle when properly positioned. These kinds of jacks are best for lower weight cars, since their capacity is usually rated at either 1 or 2 tons. They also have a relatively low lift height, ranging anywhere from 15 inches to 30 inches, depending on the model you have. Scissor jacks are also lightweight and cost-effective compared to floor jacks. This makes them an excellent option if you're looking for a portable jack you can move around with ease. Number 5. Air jacks. Air jacks are also known as inflatable jacks. They are the perfect jack tool when you need to lift something high off the ground, or at least higher than a regular jack would safely permit. Their lifting ability lies in an inflatable cylinder, which is filled with air, although water and oil-filled types do also exist. They're suitable for both open and confined spaces, and can spring into action faster than other types of jacks for cars, giving you the advantage of speed too.
Pneumatic jack. These types of jacks are also known as a telescope jack. It is most common in the heavy machinery maintenance industry for lifting buses, trucks, and construction vehicles. They are not recommended for smaller vehicles. Strand jack. If you need a heavy-duty lift, a strand jack is ready to work. These are commonly used in construction and engineering and are capable of lifting bridges, power stations, and other larger, heavier items. Trolley jack. A trolley jack is another choice of jack for automotive work. They can lift up to 4 tons, can roll across dirt and gravel, have a braking mechanism, and are one of the safest and easiest jacks to use in many applications. They are often used for automotive repairs, some high-clearance equipment maintenance, and medium to heavy-duty construction projects. Motorcycle jack. A motorcycle jack is employed to lift the entire unit off the ground, giving easy access to critical parts. It can also be used for ATVs and, with modification, snowmobiles. Because of their small, low-profile engines, working on motorcycles can be tricky.
A hydraulic mechanical service jack has a multitude of uses, but you see them most commonly as the landing gear of semi-trailers, boat trailers, and fifth-wheel RVs. They are operated by a crank handle. If this is your first time in our channel, kindly subscribe. We post insightful auto videos weekly. Now, let's continue. What type of car jack should you get? If you drive a small to mid-size vehicle, you can probably manage with a simple 2-ton scissor jack. A bottle jack is often included with trucks. However, if you drive a heavy vehicle or frequently work underneath your car, you'll probably want to invest in a sturdy, heavy-duty trolley jack instead. If you drive a vehicle with very high clearance, such as a Jeep or other off-roading vehicle, or own tractors and other agricultural equipment, a high-lift/farm jack will be the better option. Lastly, you'll want an exhaust air jack if you are someone who regularly takes your vehicle off-roading in sandy, muddy, or snowy conditions, as they are the easiest to use on soft, uneven surfaces. How to use car jacks safely. To use a car jack safely, follow the safety tips below. Number 1. Park on level ground. Before using the car jack, park your vehicle on flat level ground. This will help ensure that your jack and jack stands do not tip over and that your car will not become severely unbalanced when all or part of it is in the air. Professionals recommend that you set the parking brake when lifting your vehicle and use wheel chocks opposite from where you are using the jack to prevent the wheels from moving. Number 2. Locate the jack points. Depending on the type of jack you're using, you may only be able to lift your vehicle at certain points safely. If this is the case, consult your owner's manual or the manual included with your jack to locate the specific lift points.
Most vehicles have 4 such lift points, all under the car's rocker panels. 2 are just in front of the rear wheels, and 2 are just behind the front wheels. Number 3. Use a secure jack base. If you cannot work on your vehicle in, say, a garage or some other structure with a concrete floor, you'll need to make sure your jack can rest on a secure base. This will prevent it from sinking into the ground. Anytime you use a car jack on soft surfaces, such as asphalt or dirt, you should put a length of 3/4-inch plywood, at a minimum, underneath the jack to act as a solid, secure base. Number 4. Use jack stands to support your car. You should never rely on the car jack alone to support your vehicle for long periods of time, especially if you plan on being underneath it. You'll need jack stands for this. Jack stands should always be positioned directly under the lift point, and there should always be enough room at each lift point to accommodate both the jack and the jack stand. That is all for this article. I hope it was helpful. If so, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, I would like to know the kind of jack you have in your car. Thanks for watching. See you around.